Holy fuck, boys. What did we just get, man? Holy fuck. Here is the bike. I finally got a new motor for this thing. It's not going through the gears though, for some reason. I'm not quite sure why. I tried taking the entire shift shaft and all the guards and shit to go in there off and put it back in properly, but that didn't seem to fix it. And my kickstart shaft is not winding back, but I don't see why it wouldn't wind back. I don't understand that issue either. So we got a couple things I need to dial in on this thing. I'm not really sure what happened, but we're gonna figure it out. And yeah, this is the shop layout I got going on right now, and I'm thinking I might change it up a bit because I'm not gonna go outside just yet because it's fucking April and we still have snow and it's still cold out, and it's just gonna change over to friggin' hot as hell, and I got AC in my room and heating in here. So I'm just gonna completely build the bike out in here, and then once it's ready to start and shit, I'm just gonna take it outside. But the whole bike build's gonna be inside of my room. But I think I need to get rid of all this shit. So there we go, cleaned up, took off that stupid thing there. I'm not gonna show it on the other side because it's my bed and shit, but here's what I got going for a so-called shop. I'm gonna put it in 0.5. Got the bike here, just a frame, got all my tools, more shit. Just a place to sit. So let's get started working on this piece of shit. Plans might change because I might move my stuff into my shed. Because it's not terribly cold out, and it's not going to be terribly cold for much longer. Got my buddy squad in here right now. Definitely would have to figure out how I'm going to put everything in here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet. I had a spare clutch laying around for an 85. I bought this motor. It's an 80R motor, but this is actually an 85 big wheel. But this is the clutch off of this bike. It's in a lot better condition. There's only a little bit of pivoting in the first gear, or last gear. And this one has a lot more pivoting. So I'm gonna swap these clutches out. This one also has a lot of play in it. So I'm gonna swap these out, and hopefully that fixes my shifting issue. Now that I got those 4 bolts out, this plate just comes off. Take the springs out. Man, you gotta love the smell of clutch. It smells like absolute dog shit. Now this is I believe it's a 14 mil. Take that nut off, and then the whole thing should just slide off. I forgot about the crank nut. Give me a sec here. Take a crank nut off, just grab something like a bit or something. Wedge it in between those gears. Now this nut right here is a 17 mil, I believe. So I'm gonna grab 17. Now that crank nut's loosened, just go ahead and take your bit out. Just spin it backwards. Just take it out. Now screw the nut off. Take that washer off. Guide gear. And then this whole assembly should just come off once you take this bolt out. Using a drill, it's just easier. Now this whole clutch should just come off like that, easy. Now that I've taken those gears out, that pivoting is pretty bad. So we're just gonna throw that one back on. Now if anyone can help me out, this thing, it's not shifting through the gears. I bought it, it was fully rebuilt. I'm hoping he didn't put it together wrong, but that's all the range of motion I got down. It's not shifting to any gears. So if anyone could help me, I do not want to split those cases. If I have to, I will. So